We are back with some breaking inputs coming in. Kannada star Darshan detained by cops in a murder case. The allegation is that he was allegedly involved in the murder of Renuka Swami from Chitradurga. We have Neha Hebale joining us with more details on this big breaking news. Actor Darshan has been detained. Neha, share more details, please.
Well, yes, Swati, in fact, in an early development this morning, we're picking up that popular Kannada actor, Sandalwood star Darshan, in fact, has been picked up right now by the police. What we are picking up is that he's currently been picked up for questioning in a case relating to a murder of, a seer there from Chitradurga district of Karnataka. Reportedly, after the police, in fact, retrieved the body of the seer, there are now allegations that actor Darshan, in fact, was involved in this murder. Those are the allegations leveled against him. What we're also now picking up at this point is that the Swami, in fact, reportedly here, the seer was murdered after he, in fact, posted some derogatory social media posts about another actress in the state of Karnataka, Pavitra Gowda. Now, as far as the police, of course, is concerned in this case, we're being told that actor Darshan, in fact, is being brought to Kamakshi Palya police station where he would be questioned, and that's reportedly the limits where the murder was, of course, committed. More details of this yet to emerge. In fact, these are just the preliminary details that we're managing to put out now after having spoken to the police.
All right, preliminary details like Neha is sharing. The Swami allegedly had made some derogatory social media posts. That's the allegation. Neha, you said those were against actress Pavitra Gowda.
Well, that's right, Swati. In fact, we're now picking up that after the seer here in concern, Renuka Swami, a seer from the district of Chitradurga, had put out some derogatory posts against another actress, Pavitra Gowda, that, reportedly, these are the allegations as of now against actor Darshan, which is why he's been picked up for questioning, that he, along with another 2 or 3 people, reportedly murdered the Swamiji over these derogatory posts. Now, of course, we'll really have to wait and see how this questioning goes forward and whether he's found guilty in this case or not. But reportedly, this murder, in fact, took place as recently as about June 9th is what we're being told is when the body was retrieved by the police. Of course, we'll really have to wait and see. But for the moment, what we do know, what is confirmed is the fact that actor Darshan has been picked up. He is going to be questioned by the Bengaluru police.
Right. Renuka Swami's body was found near the Sumanahalli bridge. The confirmation is that the legal action against Darshan, him being detained, is in the same case. Deepak is also joining us with more details. Deepak, any more inputs on, the charges, on what's going to happen next?
Well, right now, a thorough investigation, of course, is required to try and ascertain what exactly has transpired. The FIR was registered based on a complaint by a police constable who found, the body of this individual, and after which they found also injury marks on the body, and they suspected that, he could have been murdered. And after which, of course, the body was sent for a postmortem. Eventually, he's gone ahead and, registered a complaint as well with the police, suspecting that it could be a case of murder. And the cops have been investigating all angles over the last 24 to 48 hours, and they've got some leads that there could be the involvement of, actor Darshan, and that's the reason he has now been picked up. Being brought to Bengaluru from Mysuru is the latest information that we are gathering, and in a short while from now, he will be reaching the city where he will continue to be quizzed, and we'll really have to see after the detailed statement that comes in from the police about the exact reason why he's been picked up and his involvement in this crime.
Why he has been picked up and his involvement is going to be investigated. The interrogation will also take place after. Darshan has been detained in a murder case, is a Kannada star who's been detained in the murder case. This after Renuka Swami, hailing from Chitradurga, was found dead near the Sumanahalli bridge at the Kamakshi Palya station. Deepak, where has the actor been taken?
Well, he's being brought from Mysuru to Bengaluru, and he will be, brought here. He will be questioned further, and if the, police actually decide to arrest him in this particular case, they'll have to, of course, follow formalities of taking him for a medical checkup and eventually, of course, producing him before the magistrate. So all of these developments are expected depending on what they exactly believe his involvement in the cases and the need of the hour in terms of questioning him and also getting out more details in this particular case.
All right. Neha Hebale is also with us on the broadcast. Neha, any more names coming to fore?
Well, Smarty, for the moment, what we know is that the police, of course, has picked up actor Darshan there for questioning. But apart from that, we're being told that, sources here telling us that at least another 2 people were reportedly involved in this murder. Who they are, their whereabouts, have they, of course, been picked up already for questioning? And more importantly, what was their involvement in this entire case? All of that is something that the police is ascertaining at this point in time. But we're being told that there was at least the involvement of 3 people in this murder. Is what the police at this point, of course, is maintaining. However, of course, with considering that the body was found on 9th, the police, of course, would now trace the path back to how many people were possibly involved and what led to the murder of this seer here.
We'll wait for more details to come to fore. At the moment, what we can say is that the Kannada actor Darshan has been detained by the cops in the murder case of Renuka Swamy. Neha and Deepak, thank you very much for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.